within the 10 minutes, now I was doing that, I was doing that. We do set up in the I'm not supposed to say, I'm a go. I said, I said, because I made you my department. So, yeah, more coach, you have me piano, me, born at that time. I'm able to it is not the boss, the coach guy, the family fan to baby cry. So, after 10 minutes, no, boss, I just got to tell Bobby, I'm take you off about the part now. The guy, I'm going to piano, some piano, I'm here crossing. Now, I speak for her, get to pine. Go. The yeah, man, half time no. Look for the ladies, look for the news. One country, or
radio.
And so, as a coach, if you have a danger players, you suffer. That's the truth. And so, for me, I'm thinking, say, how to put players, no, they are not that intelligent to help the coach. But I mean, for now, no, but can I say, players, really, yeah,
pride, arrogance, share a hand time, and they kill house of folk. Pride, any hand time, and then they kill house of folk. I'm telling you, people must be prepared to come low and deal with their supporters. High horse, no baby, high horse, no baby, no more kind. Supporters in Chelsea, and you do football, succeed with the supporters.
That's radio.
Right. Young Kamasem,
radio.
Young criticizing me, what did you them? That sort of behavior and you come house of folk. What do you mean about Tim Kakakati house of folk? About any do at all. What do you mean about Tim Kakakati house of folk? About young criticizing. I don't know. Are you God? That nobody can criticize you. Who criticize you? So we and criticism, we are raising critique, and it is legitimate.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
All right, I'll be your form and then Mimenda 21st of January 2023. We shall Brenna Sima and Papa Nundu. 9 minutes past the hour of 10. Akuman Global Sports Saturday edition. And an open Siatanasia Yerepa. Then I asked and some do not near Babeshe Elfia. If you only send out here and then a question a copy in Jordan. And the MTN FA Cup. Yes, MTN FA Cup matches to draw. Nina be would not face yet won't come more and a fish in the other bar. Seems to know wine is your wine. Advantage in the Kwama wine. Nina come on here, Beba. Sounds a Confederation of African Football. Channel come on, Ebedi. But the Remo Black Stars coaching job remove. I don't say coach Otuado Coin and Neno Yancharam Phobia Sase on Yajumano. The pay former Quenya said, "What best will be coaching Black Stars and a fan crata Fabra." Nana, the tournament, I sank your body saying, "Yes, a do." So be able to coach Black Stars a fan crata Fabra. What is the donor the Omcrata bar? Coach and the Chris Hilton on the Crata call. Former Egyptian head coach Hector Cooper. And also in the Crata call. Yeah. Kwesi Apia Maele. Kwesi Apia so in the Crata call. And the Black Star coach me that me say tie. Walk up in my kobida. Me say tie. It's adwuma no me betuma ye. Enti Kwesi Apia so in the Crata call. You remember me actual Black Stars coaching job no. What would see me why now to say adwuma na mana betuma boa Black Stars and so no etuma fa no ma pefra. Anyu aje nkyere. Brama wa konya o Fred ya badwuma de so. Ana say fa wa aje nkyere no so fa 0551 667755. And your text messages 0551 667755 and 0270191971 0270191971 and your text messages. A brand of Sona me more Konya no friends so I no so beti ma fra ba. Na best ni me no am dey ama no. Ana fe so me the way can dey ama o. Fred 0551 667755 and your lights and you so Samsung at 0205 818748 0205 818748 and also your lines and that's the be Juma the brand no so memo akonya no afra ba mana ne you be corner feel some and some ore ba top flight major European leagues no. Onu say na compare Jordan matches because so the Italian Serie A, the German Bundesliga, the French Ligue 1, Spanish Premier La Liga Santander, and I feel so the English Premier League. Matches there to Jordan watch here. The be remedy the fixtures the league table and I feel so go king chats in the bar. Yeah, non do mienu and I say yes, do mienu about powers ma ayaduasa no. Do mienu about powers ma ayaduasa. A big game. Our Anfield. Big game or Anfield. A Liverpool. And I feel so the Chelsea and airport. That's how game you pa. That's a quarter we are the barrier. Why never get your cotata? I go for you and you fa. That's the year we have that face and won't come out and say they are pro or Jumedian so. Solo at the Yabeko, the Paradise Man. At the Yabeko, I know the fish just sitting in the Apa, but in summer hall, transfer issues, or Rabbit, they won't come on your Apa. The body of a Twasso Sophie. And I say, I say, come from executive producer. Jera Kofi Anson Powerful, KB, and that Kofi or Corey Ajman. Head of Sports, producer extraordinaire. Krobia Sante, DJ Zigibi, Ajua Pokia El Namopoku, and also a TWC, the writer commentator. Don't see Subo Chidom Day, get in 70 Naba. Bidi Kelvin Amponsedi, Femi AK, that's Joe. So, what the boss player, the come there and say, Biu, and AK, the boss player. Has 4 joints. Yes, has 4 joints for no. Food joints no more heavy. Has 4 food joints and sports. You know about Bima mutation no. Bibia no pay what Bima uti or command global sports no nyan coupon shira papa. Onyo kese. Ba solo member solo akwa bana ya hwere akwa bana ya kofa nsam na ba. Solo bibia e camera pay.
Eke oba de atom bibia boko.
Say akani gira idea say akani sa weekend we did say.
Oh okay. Unsa ba say na ye be ye adwuma no anti from Hano. And then so ye matches ahoro no a be twa egu ti from Hano na ye say yakohwe games ni bia ni ase ewura mu ofie.
Okay.
Na yakodwojo ye ho anti.
Sorry so abeno wo location be say ko.
Sao.
Sorry super.
Hey.
Special.
Anyway, the special one surprise. Oh wow.
Sorry super.
Okay. Mami chia akonsuansa no.
Akonsuan.
Yes. Minchia. Memfa ho de. But me penasam.
Papa. Akonsuan heavy.
Heavy pa.
Akonsuan heavy papa.
Heavy nti minchia no one ne mani nyina.
Okay.
Anope yeah. Minchia nkomo.
Me bounce na jo aframe me say. So I go force your bra, you know.
Into oko.
Oko so. Was say and a week pepe na so ayi dey ba so wo so. Dinner dey ba. You be say be wura ma. You be say be wura mu and a week ah. Na ya say dinner dey nyina ba ko di bi. You know, I want to tell you that be so. I say dinner dey nya ba ko fo dey dinner.
David.
Dinner ba ko na dinner no. Swag no. Yes we dey wura na dinner dey akonti. Na o chi bwa you be ko.
Okay.
No. If you are saying that, see if a location now, but you say give me a show, I say,
so it's me cause or
I am me feel me also me center and so me koso. You know, you become one.
And you know,
you become one. Some are some dorsal.
Is that the dorsal?
League, you know, European leagues in a
Yes.
Now Juventus. And rather, you Juventus. Yeah, 15 points.
Yeah.
They say, yeah.
Signings be on the previous ones, you know.
Sika 7 there, dear.
Uncle ye. Inti atete mama even on mumpenyi fo ni bi kura o giant man no. E quoting for kura no. I may be no more ban inti. And here easy. Say Juve from 3rd position to 10th. Then the Juventus. So mukro ya na yete omo points ko relegation.
Juve ya yo mo hade.
Omo division 2 o say division 1.
Continue more time there na. Ti no omo hwe na paying for restructure dia ba. I be cause but then we are 12:30 Liverpool Chelsea.
Tough match pa.
But you know, be jawo ka fin soro de tu akwamari tamara ne samro Pasolo Paradise e de akwaba.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? ¡Gio! ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! ¡Apago la luz y me voy!
Alright, Abusienti, ma obi bia kwa baby ma de ba Common Radio 97.1 and so Emerson say tidbit around the world of sports. E wa manone no ya de bra na hu se ne tie and so ojubedi no so nti an opay atena se ene ye de ensam no and so to me e de e ba be down me din at the paradise. Yen shase en free matches ahoro a ye betwa agunya wo atwe ye wie ye and so wo Europe ne ne mountain so top 5 European leagues no se ne ho and so ATM na odwani achemo e French Ligue 1 na say na watwe awie no French Ligue 1 no and so e kwa homegye mu en ya de matches no and so be ba so age next week and e be ba nemom Italian Serie A no say and fixtures no AC ATM and so to me ATM Italian Serie A week number 19 and e beto gwam na me aduma and 2 p.m. game way e be ba so Verona bobo ko na betena fie no ne Lecce team no and so dia boy ni 5 p.m. Bobo kwani din enso de Sportiva Salernitana enso betena fie atonsan e dia friend Napoli no mo so e dia boy ni sanso e na 7:45 p.m. no Fiorentina bobo kono enso ene Torino ebebo ene ye games a ebetogwa enem e wa Italian Serie A no Scudetto no enso ye mo nyame adomu a wochena to aso week number 19 no ye to games no enso 11:30 a.m. Sunday Sampdoria ebetena fie ni Udinese e dia boy ni 2 p.m. Monza bobo kono enso ebeton sa dia friend Sassuolo no mo so e de Ayentown so na 5 p.m. Ghana time Spezia aton sa dia friend AS Roma no mo so e dia boy ni 7:45 p.m. no Juventus bobo kono enso ebetena Turin no mo ne Atlanta enso e dia boy ni eno ye games no so beba so e wasira enim nyame adoma Sunday on Monday 2 matches ebeba so 5:30 p.m. Bologna and Cremonese bobo kono bebo na 7:45 p.m. no Inter Milan enso atonsa e dia frɛ Empoli bobo kono na omoso e di abani team matches a ebekoso e wo Italian Serie A ni mo e na no pay meto ho e di ama so far league table no say enetie Napoli e da so edikan after 18 games no omo kita 47 points AC Milan eto so emienu omo 38 points Inter eto so miensa ekita 37 Lazio to so 9 omo 34 points Atalanta eto so enum ekita 34 and afe bobo kwani dem enso edi Roma eto so ensia omo 34 points enso wa league table no enso ya de anya chemu relegation na Verona bobo kono eto so 18 wa 19 points Sampdoria to so 19 ewo 9 points Verona ewo 9 points to so 18 Sampdoria to so 19 ewo 9 points and afe Cremonese eda asia 20th position ekita just 7 points enso ewo league table no enso na odiwani achiremo enso wa mranti a ashe goals do a Victor Osimhen ewo Napoli washe 12 goals enso ede guatenem and afe abrantani de edo Lautaro Martinez enso ewo Inter Milan washe 9 goals enso tumi ede guatenem Mbala Inzola ewo Spezia wanonso washe 9 goals and abrantani de Lookman ewo Atalanta ashe 8 goals Leo enso ashe 8 goals enso tumi ede abobo kwani de enso ede AC Milan enti wey mranti a womonso ashe goals dodo enso ewo games no enso mo ewo Italian Serie A na no pay yede mu nchiremu enso tumi ede ama wo yenko na yenko hwese na La Liga matches no enso betumi akọ ede afam week number 18 ene yewura mu na endra one game etogwa enso ewo La Liga ne Mallorca bobo kono etna fie she kabako ede etia Celta de Vigo o ma tumi ante Daniel Rodriguez 59th minute eno nya goal no Ediama bobo kwani din enso de Real Mallorca and matches no to aso 1 p.m. Ghana time bobo kwani din de Real Vallecano etenafie woni Real Sociedad bebo ni 3:15 Ghana time Espanyol ebesha Real Betis afei 5:30 Atletico Madrid and Real Valladolid enso bebo 8 p.m. Sevilla ebesha Cadiz bobo kono ochina matches no to aso 1 p.m. Villarreal bobo kono enso ɛnso ɛbɛto nsa de afɛ Girona na ɔmo de abɔ ɛni 3:15 Elche ɛbɛhyia Osasuna 5:30 FC Barcelona ɛwɔ Spotify Camp Nou ɔmo bɛto nsa de afɛ Getafe Boboko no na afɛ 8 p.m. no Atletico Bilbao ɛnso ne Real Madrid ɛnso ɛbɛbɔ ɛwɔ La Liga matches no ɛnso yɛ mo wɔkyena ɛyɛ Monday matches no ɛbɛtoa so 1 game ɛnso ɛbɛkɔ so 8 p.m. Bobo Kwandia de Valencia enso ene Amaria enso ebebo eno eye games a ebetogwa enso ewo eye La Liga no enso yemo mayewura mu ne ehwe league table no sanye esiete Barcelona abo 16 matches wo one outstanding game a wo bebo Otikan okita 41 points Real Madrid enso abo 16 matches or another outstanding game a wo no so bebo otoso menu ewo 38 points Real Sociedad abo 17 matches Watoso Emiensa 35 points. Atletico Madrid atoso enai wabo 17 matches okita 28 points. Sanso na Bobo Kwandia de Villarreal wano anso toso enum wabo 17 games okita 28 points. And a Real Betis etoso nsia wano so abo 16 games okita 28 points. And so our league table no so relegation zone Cadiz Bobo Kono etoso eduan watwe omo ekita 16 points wabo 17 matches. Sevilla toso 19 wabo 17 matches or 15 points. And afe team and the Elche at the 20th wabo 17 matches and also our just 5 points per. And so our league table no and so yako Emrantia Ashe goes no dutuana go king chat no Pichichi race no Robert Lewandowski wa Barca wanu etikan wa 13 goals and the Guatilem and afa Brantia the day and the Joselu our Espanyol 10 goals and also to me Ashe Aspa and so our Salta de Vigo when also Ashe 8 goals and so to me the Guatilem and a Real Mallorca Brantia the day and so at the Vedat Morinkin and so Ashe 8 goals at the Guatilem Karim Benzema and so Real Madrid was 8 goals and a fay a Brantia the day and so at the Iglesias our Real Betis when also Ashe 8 goals and so to me the Guatilem the way and so I am Rantia Bia one also Ashe goals no to do and so our La Liga nim and an pay ye to home and so to me the man war young cup German Bundesliga no almost return after sir Omuko break our World Cup name now almost the Uramum our Christmas no and so no and then German Bundesliga no asanso return back now udwani chiremwa week 16 and a year ball and draw 1 game etogwa and so our game etogwa no Leipzig etna fie eshe bako ema bobo kwani de Bayern Munich and so eshe bako 37th minute and a Chupo Moten Cameroonian international wanunya first goal at the Ema FC Bayern Munich and no and a 52nd minute Abrantian day at the Holstenberg and so Batekano at the Ema RB Leipzig 81-1 and a Tumia Koso and the games no air to us 2:30 p.m. Ghana time Frankfurt Bobokono Ebetre finish Shakiwo for Abo 2:30 Kronano Union Berlin Ebesha Hoffenheim now for Wolfsburg and so any Freiburg team no and so Ebebo Bochum Ebesha Boboko at the Hertha Berlin now Stuttgart and so the Mainz team no and so Asia matches Nina at 2:30 p.m. 5:30 FC Cologne Ebesha Werder Bremen now also at the Abeni Namia Duma watching games na to us 2:30 p.m. Borussia Dortmund was Signa Iduna Park Wabatene Fie now ne Osbeck Bobokono and so to me the Iron Times now for 4:30 Borussia Mönchengladbach and so Asia Boboko din Ede Leverkusen na amoso ede abanite no games eno so betogwa enso awo German Bundesliga no enso yemo yenko ne yenko table no se ne siete Bayern Munich wokita 35 points wabo 16 matches ni na awie wono edikan Freiburg team na to so emie no wabo 15 matches wawo 30 points Leipzig enso abo 16 games na awie wono so awo 29 points woto so emiensa Freiburg as Eintracht Frankfurt eto so ɛnan wɔn nso ɛwɔ 27 points ɛna afei Union Berlin ɛtɔ so enum wɔwɔ 27 Borussia Dortmund ɛtɔ so nsia wɔn nso ɛwɔ 25 points yɛkɔ relegation zone na Stuttgart ɛtɔ so edu nsia 16 position 14 points ɛna ekita wɔn Bochum tɔ so 17 13 points ɛna afei Schalke 04 team no ɛtɔ so 18 position wɔn nso ekita 9 points ɛwɔ league table no ɛsɔ mmerante ahyɛ goals dodoɔ no aberante deɛ de Christopher Nkunku ɛnso wɔ RB Leipzig 12 goals ɛna wahyɛ ɛna afei Marcus Thuram ɛnso si akadema Borussia Mönchengladbach team no wɔn nso atumi ahyɛ goals no mako 10 ɛnso atumi de agu atena ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ no ma anɔpɛ yie te hɔ ɛnso atumi de ama wɔ yɛnkɔ ne yɛnkɔhyɛ ɛnso ɛwɔ ɛyɛ EPL no ɛnso yɛ mo English Premiership no games ahorow a nyawɔtwe awie yɛbɛtɔ gua na anɔpɛ yɛmfa ɛho nsɛm ɛnso ntumi nto w'anim yɛwura ɛwɔ week number 21 ɛwɔ Premier League no ɛnso yɛ mo early kick-off ɛnɛ match no ɛbɛba so 12:30 p.m. Liverpool ɛbɛtena ɛyɛ Anfield na wɔne Chelsea the Blues ɛnso atumi adi abɔ anim Leicester City 3 p.m. Ghana time wɔn nso ɛbɛtena fie na afei ɔne bobo kwa ne den ɛde Brighton Hove Albion ɛde abɔ anim ɛnso ɛwɔ ɛhɔ nom afei wodi wɔn akyerɛ mu a Southampton ɛbɛtena fie ato nsa da Aston Villa ɛno nso yɛ 3 p.m. na West Ham United 3 p.m. wɔne Everton team no ɛnso abɔ 3 p.m. krona no Bournemouth ɛbɛtena fie ato nsa da Nottingham Forest boboko no na wɔn nso de abɔ ɛne Okosohos Park a 5:30 Crystal Palace ɛbɛhyia Newcastle United na wɔn nso de abɔ ɛne wɔkyena matches na ɛbɛtoa so ɛwɔ Tiraspol Stadium 2 p.m. Manchester City ɛbɛto nsa da Wolverhampton Wanderers na wɔn nso de abɔ ɛne Leeds United wɔkyena 2 p.m. ɔbɛtena fie wɔne Brentford ɛnso bɛbɔ na afei Emirates Sports Stadium no game kɛseɛ na ɛbɛba so 4:30 p.m. wɔkyena Arsenal ɛbɛtena fie ne Manchester United ɛnso atumi adi abɔ ɛne ɛno ɛyɛ matches a ɛbɛba so Sunday ɛwɔ EPL no ɛnso yɛ mo Monday 8 p.m. Fulham ɛnso ɛbɛto nsa de afrɛ Tottenham Hotspur na wɔn nso adi abɔ ɛne yɛhwɛ league table no sɛdeɛ esi ɛteɛ ɛwɔ English Premiership no ɛnso yɛ mo Arsenal edi kan wabɔ 18 matches ɔwɔ outstanding game a wɔn nso ɛbɛbɔ wɔkita 47 points ɛnso ɛwɔ league table no so Manchester City ɛtɔ so emienu wɔn nso abɔ 19 matches wɔn nso wɔ matches ɔbɛbɔ wɔkita 42 points a wɔn nso ɛde tɔ so emienu Manchester United ɛtɔ so emiɛnsa wabɔ 19 games wɔn nso ekita 39 points ɛwɔ league table no so Newcastle United ɛnso ɛtɔ so ɛnan wabɔ 19 games wɔkita 38 points Tottenham Hotspur ɛtɔ so enum wabɔ 20 matches wɔkita 33 points ɛnso ɛwɔ league table no ɛnso Fulham ɛda 6th position 20 games no wɔnya 31 points ɛnso ɛhɔ no Brighton Hove Albion ɛnɛ ɔmo abɛda 7th position ɔno nso wabɔ 18 matches ɔwɔ 30 points ɛna Brentford ɛtɔ so 8 wabɔ 19 matches 29 points na Liverpool ɛtɔ so 9 ɔmo abɔ 18 matches ɔmo kita 28 points Chelsea abɔ 19 matches ɔmo tɔ so 10 ɔmo nso ekita 28 points ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ nom nti ɛnom ɛyɛ league table no ɛwɔ EPL nim yɛkɔ relegation zone a West Ham United ɛda 18 position wabɔ 19 games okita 15 points Everton ɛda 19 position wabɔ 19 games okita 15 points ɛna afei Southampton team no abɔ 19 matches with the 20th position ekita 15 points ɛnso ɛwɔ league table no ɛnso yɛhwɛ mmerante ahyɛ goals no dodoɔ ɛwɔ league no ɛnso yɛ mo aberante de deɛ Erling Braut Haaland ɛwɔ Manchester City wahyɛ 22 goals ɛnso egu atenam aberante de Harry Kane ɛwɔ Tottenham Hotspur 15 goals ɛna afei Ivan Toney ɛwɔ Brentford wɔn nso ahyɛ 13 goals Mitrovic esi akan dema Fulham wahyɛ 11 goals Rodrigo ɛwɔ Leeds United 10 goals ɛna wahyɛ ɛna afei Amiron ɛnso si akan ɛdeɛma Newcastle United boboko no wɔn ahyɛ 9 goals Martin Odegaard ɛnso wasna 8 goals ɛna wahyɛ Marcus Rashford Manchester United 8 goals Roberto Firmino ɛne Mohamed Salah nyinaa no wɔn nso ɛwɔ Liverpool 7 goals ɛna wɔn nso ahyɛ aberante de ɛde Leandro Trossard ɔno ɛwɔ Brighton Hove Albion na mmom waba bɛsan deɛ ma Arsenal ɛnɛ ɔno nso ahyɛ 7 goals ɛnso atumi de agu atena mu a anɔpɛ yie te hɔ ɛnso atumi ɛde ama nti wei ɛyɛ nsɛm ahorow a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ matches no ɛnso mu anɔpɛ yɛde ɛma wɔ yɛnkɔ na yɛnkɔdi nkɔmmɔ nkakra ɛwɔ transfer window no ɛnso yɛ mu na yɛhu sɛnea teɛ wokɔ Chelsea team no akakye a ɛnɛ Chelsea team no ɛnso de nkɔmmɔ aba ɔmo hyɛ anim sɛ ɔmo ne Barca anka ɔmo bɛyɛ swap deal ɛnso ɛwɔ akakye na Chelsea ɛhwɛ sɛ Frank Kessie anka ɔbɛba Chelsea team ne ɔbɛfiri Barca ɛbɛba Chelsea na waba bɛsi akan ɛde ama Chelsea boboko no na afei aberante a ne deɛ de Hakim Ziyech ɔno nso no na nka wakɔ na wakɔsi akan ɛnso tumi ɛde ama boboko a ne deɛ de Barca na nso enei yɛsɛ wokɔ aberante a ne de Frank Kessie akakye a wɔsɛ ɛnya de ɔbɛfiri Barca team no mu akɔ nɛ akɔ ɔkyena ɔnyɛ n'adwen sɛ ɔbɛbu n'akatam ɛnso tumi ɛde afiri baabi a ɛno ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ a anɔpɛ yi ɛɛba yɛte hɔ ɛnso tumi ɛde ama nti Frank Kessie ɔno nso ne ho nkɔmɔ no na already no wokɔ Chelsea akakye a aberante ne de David Trado Fofana ɔma sign no waba bɛsi akan Beniot ɛnso aba ɔno nso bɛsi akan ɛde ama Chelsea Andres Santos Chelsea team no ɛnso asign Joao Felix ɔno nso aba a ɔno nso ɛba bɛsi akan ɛnso tumi ɛde ama bobo kwani den ɛnso ɛde Chelsea afei Michailo Mudryk ɔno nso aba ɔno nso ɛba bɛsi akan ɛde ama Chelsea bobo kɔ no ɛna latest one no ɛyɛ aberante a wɔsi akan de ma PSV Eindhoven ɔyɛ winger ɔno nso aba Noni Madueke Endra Chelsea team no ɛnveli aberante no nti ɔno nso no waba kama a wɔba bɛsi akan ɛnso ɛtumi ɛde ama bobo kwani den ɛnso ɛde Chelsea nti so far deɛ wɔkɔ Chelsea akakye a na ɛsɛ baako mmienu mmiɛnsa ɛnan enum bɛyɛ sɛ nsia deɛ 6 players bi deɛ Chelsea atumi asan a wɔn ba bɛsi akan akɔ wɔn hwɛ sɛ Hakim Ziyech ɛnso ɛbɛkɔ Barca nanka Frank Kessie aba bɛhyɛ mfimfini wɔ bi ɛde ama wɔn nso aberante ne sɛ Ojugu baabae ɛnya adeɛ a wɔn ɔbɛba Chelsea nɛ aba ɔkyena ɔnfiri Barca na emu ɔbɛkɔ so a ɛnso atena bobo kɔ deden ɛnso atumi ɛde ɛyɛ Barca na wɔasi akan ɛnso atumi ɛde ama wɔn yɛka Chelsea ho nsɛm no Noni Madueke ɔno efiri PSV Eindhoven ɛna aba £26 million ɛna yɛsi ka Chelsea team no ɛde akɔkɔfa aberante no ɛnso atumi de n'aba nti ɔba bɛsi akan ɛnso atumi de ama bobo kɔ deden ɛnso atumi de ɛyɛ Chelsea ɛno ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ ɛba anɔpɛ yie te hɔ ɛnso atumi de ɛma wɔ na wokɔ bobo kɔ deden de Juventus ɛnso akakye a ɛnɛ Juve ɔmo so ɔmo ate ahwam ɛsan sɛ Juventus players a ɔmo asan ɔmo bɛyɛ 2 seasons ago ɛne last season nyinaa no yɛsɛ ɛnɛ sikasɛm bi wɔ mu a nneɛma nhyɛ da nkɔ yie ɛnso amfa ama Juve boboko no ɛnti wode w'ani akyɛ mu ɛwɔ Juventus akakye a ɛwɔ Terence anim no Italian Football Federation FIGC ɛnso tumi ate Juve boboko no 15 points ɛnso ɛwɔ league table no so na ɔmo da 3rd position ɛne amene okɛsɛ deɛ ɔmo ate aba bɛda bɛyɛ 10th position hɔ eti Juventus yɛate ɔmo 15 points ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ na ɛyɛ ano nko a wode w'ani akyerɛ mu deɛ a yɛsɛ ɛnɛ no financial violation ɛna atumi asɛvi club a ne deɛ de Juve ɛntumi ansɛvi ɔmo na bɛyɛ sɛ 90 million euros bi deɛ Juventus ɔmo so player salary ɔmo de kapa ɛnso yɛ wɔ mu ɛnti football court no ɛna ɛwuru ne saa na ɛnɛ aberante ne de ɛde Agnelli wɔno no yɛ panyin baako ɛde ama Juve boboko no wɔno nso no yɛtumi ama ne ban ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ nom a ɔnkɔ so ansa na ɔbɛba football mu no ɔbɛtena nkyɛn kakra ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ nom a saa nso ɛna Maurizio Arrivabene wɔno nso no 2 years ban ɔno nso yɛtumi ɛde ama no ɛna Nedved wɔno nso 8 months suspension from football wɔno nso yɛde ama no nti wokɔ Juve akakye a ɛno ɛnso ɛyɛ nsɛm ahorow a ɛbobɔ ɛde afiri ɔde aba anɔpɛ yɛte ho kakra ɛnso ɛtumi ɛde ɛma wɔ wokɔ Arsenal so ɛyɛ a Leandro Trossard ɛne ɔma da n'adi de akyerɛ ama aberante no obi ehu sɛ waba bedu Mikel Arteta akasa ɔse game a Arsenal ɛne Manchester United ɛbɛbɔ wɔ kyena no ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Emirates Sports Stadium no aberante ne de Trossard obetumi agyinam asi akan ɛde ama Arsenal boboko no ɛne ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ a ɛba ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ nom awie yi aso Liverpool ɛnso ɛbɛbɔ against Chelsea na ɛno nso no wokɔ Chelsea akakye a Mudryk ɛne Graham Potter ɛnso so ɔno nso benya minute enso atumi abo enso awo game no enso ye mo Graham Potter kasa o se sa game no omu wuram akwa se nioma bekoyie e de ma Chelsea boboko no na coach ani din enso etumi ade judging club se ono de ne awonim afa Graham Potter won se e ba the players tete am na o ya ade enti player we modembo nkonkan a wo de mana oba transform no ama nioma koyie enso etumi de man ba se yemfa team etumi enji bibi de ohun bi da enwo Graham Potter enso ye hom Liverpool team no enso ye team am always no almost share him so be winning nioma onu coach Jurgen Klopp wa winning trophies do no a eto onu so ehwe se enawia no nkunim no ebekọ e dia ma team ani de enso de Liverpool na ko Liverpool aso ya players bi wo honoma omo hwe nim se ombejo mo kwan yesi ene coach and the Jurgen Klopp akwa catch Liverpool panyfo se abranta ne de Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain omunja no kwan emane nkom afei na biketa wono so no omunja no kwan mo no so into enkonti so first bar omunton samrantie we na abranta ne de Bobby Firmino de was one tena at least season back on enso tumi afenka ho ena afei abranta ne de James Milner ono so mo hwe nim so be extending the contract no enso tumi ade abane to ko Liverpool aso ya ena ye nkoma kakra eba anopenso yete ho enso tumi ade ama na wanwu sane ete enso our Liverpool boboko no enso akache Manchester United ebebo Arsenal watching sa game no abrante ade de Casemiro entumi ngiram enso ensi akan ne bi enso entumi mfema Manchester United boboko no eno eye nkoma eba anopen yete ho enso tumi ade ama wo na yemfa ye ne nchiremo ewo Copa del Rey fixtures no emu na fe memfa nsam no ensi na udwanya chemu Copa del Rey fixtures no na se empenyefo ahihye bibia kama enso ewo hodom a omo hwe nim se nioma betumi akonkan enso ewo hodom na udwanya chemu a sei enetie ewo semi final no enso yemu Real Madrid ene Atletico Madrid ebebo na fe bobo kwani de Atletico Osasuna omuso ebehia Sevilla bobo kono Valencia ene Atletico Bilbao ebebo na FC Barcelona ehia Real Sociedad eno eye Copa del Rey semi final matches no ena anope mede atu wani enso ewo hono mo yenko wie kura enso ewo tennis na yenhwe sania eno so etie Australian Open no eguso ekoso enso ewo hono mo na yewura inside no na men's single no game back on ekoso Dimitrov ono every Bulgaria wono ejemo ene abrante ni dem enso di Novak Djokovic ena airball me no ka say no omabo 2 set ni na no Novak Djokovic wono so winning ama test set no kra no enso tumi akoso nti na the first set no 6-7 in favor of Novak Djokovic and second set no ekoso 3-6 in favor Novak Djokovic and afi third set no enso guso ekoso Novak Djokovic eguso ehwe nim se nioma be konkan enso tumi edi amanenti ye begina no so na ye diesi na emom uko emayiwa no so afamu dia Ka Pliskova ono no ne match anope ya wadu so atumi awini a wa progress enso ekọ nim after say run of 32 no okoshia Grashova abayiwa no 2 set straight wa bono amene ono so ekọ nim ti ye besi na fe ya to asom enso atumi adi ama.
Okay, Entino Pasolo Paradise, fantastic one. I'm some near call Eddie near Panino, and also etumi Eddie Nina, and so Eddie Bray, our Jumediano. So, and the big game, Nuna, Ejina, a Anfield, a Liverpool, and I think so Povo Quantity, Eddie Chelsea, and almost Eddie L. Boy, ni a Brepam Yabapa, nothing sooner Yabidi, and home and come on, and so Fiana said, and they actually 2 teams in Nina. Our chances going into the game. Coach Adama Liverpool. Obiba JK. Jurgen Klopp and so now that is saying information bang tactics bang approach bang and on so odi uramo I will give them Graham Potter. Why signings Dodona and there Abeko ye Eddie man and I say enkoye 12:30 El Anfield and I start giving on so Abeko so and commoning in ano ewo aye Okuman 97.1 Okuman Radio 97.1 aha and I'm coming in so ewa yari ebrewo and so ewo jumedino and so let me try one pa MTN FA Cup fixture so yari betu job and so etumi eri amao ewo jumedino so yen try homara.
MTN FA Cup, we are waiting by the grace of God. Premier First Division, Second Division, Third Division, Odia. MTN FA Cup, we are waiting by the grace of God. Premier First Division, Second Division, Third Division, Odia. MTN FA Cup, we are waiting by the grace of God. Premier First Division, Second Division, Third Division, Odia. MTN FA Cup, we are waiting by the grace of God. Premier First Division, Second Division, Third Division, Odia. MTN FA Cup, Odia. MTN FA Cup, Odia. MTN FA Cup, Odia. MTN FA Cup, Odia. Now we will Premier, Odia. First Division.
All right, into the MTN FA Cup and now a cup of Juara on himself round of 32 no matches and so Ebekoso Ewa Ghana Hani Uramu na fin so the young matches no Sunday and so Echo and the officiating officials on Mejramuna game no to my Kosono Kopiamo and so now Tamale Aliu Mahama Stadium dear and steadfast and I feel so STK Stars and a referee the day Anthony Jacob Aduntara Obejramu actually game assistant line 1 Alilu Al Hassan Afensoro Robert Aduko Sunday on also line 2 4 referee Albert Azin Tolo match commissioner Daudi Abdul Razak and on also Shasa game no so and at 3 p.m. no and so Malik Jabel Stadium no Wa Power and WB United and also a referee Gilbert Anwa Ayarga Obejramu the game no line 1 George Owusu Ponsa line 2 Yakubu Abdul Rahman Afensoro match commissioner no so and pay for training say Abdul Samir so ebe Ramu say GFA cameraman no so akoshe na bibi ansoro etimi ayakam echena Real Tamale United esena tenafio Aliu Mahama Stadium atunsa eda friend Wasunta no so e dia boy referee ni Andrews Aurusia also be the game no line 1 no Tijani Mohammed line 2 Michael Alugo me also Buana Face of 4 Frefino Noah Joshua match commissioner Yao Lukman also be Bua say bibi ansoro etimi akoso venue media officer no Muntaka Mohammed ono kwakwacha RTU game no so the Amasoro air train himself to my cock. I said, Conkai, and about RTU Pobo Koruko Piemo, and so now at the Saman Park, the Anes say, no, I two mighty jets and as the mighty royals, woman for mighty royals, and so at Trefie, now for Somaton, and a friend, and so Trauma FC, no more their point in a Soroko Piemo. Now, woman for mighty royals, some goalkeeper and my classmates. It's a say, no, Gerard, Jamu, not the post tonight, the Yama Koso, and the amount woman for mighty royals, almost at Trefie at the Saman Park, now the Somaton. And their friends so Trauma FC referee day and so the Musa Mubarak on the bed game on line 1 and Peter Dawson line 2 and George Akisi Boka on also run offense so the 4th referee and Barikisu Salifu on also pay for yin is uncle Buana offense so the match no and so the entimi and Koso and Bofra Kwatano so Yipebre yes Bofakwa and so the Rihanna Stars we know I know day papa Bofakwa that's referee Atunsa and a Frediana and Abacoso, our Sunyane Coronation Park, Referee and Mali, Adrenge, Rime, and also Bacobuana, what the game the line 1, Patrick Papala, line 2, and Michael Lamit, as social officials here, echo the game, experience officials, and just a game no annual day, papa, for Frefi Adari Abdul Latif, and also Babuana say, game no sooner at Miako, so go start set for dance park, and Ken Faisal, and so to my boy, all Premier League affair, and then also Costo, referee Maxwell Usu, line 1, Alex Osam, line 2, Moses Amegator, and a face of 4th referee, Emmanuel Asari Darko, match commissioner, James Saye, on the Bois, that game that Costo, Summer Texas Nephew, and so now in General Park, our Samra boy, Atonsa, and a friend, Nations FC, Swabble, referee Julian, Ayanunu, line 1, Roland Adina face on Atuyo Sensoro, and Buana say, Bibi Ansoro, Etimi Akoso, our sad game Nimu.
So Premier, First Division, Second Division,
Obianyo Obian to Kobiamo so Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium there Neno Korokonsuna to inside their friend a Bobo Kwani de Banap FC. No swap ball Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium reference name. And so no, I didn't need Kofi Gideon, Betty Game no line 1, no, Emmanuel Dolagbanu, Samson line 2, Pascal Mausina, 4th referee, Gabriel Opoku, and match commissioner, and so ran the other Tassamakonu, Osman, and Sababwa, as a game not to make so, Vitamin Vipers, so Tenafie, our Nelo, Robert Mensa Stadium, Aton Star, and a friend Mysterious, Abusia Abon to about 2 drafts. Now, so no, at the side game, that's success to Jacob Asamfua, on a referee, Betty Game no line 1. John and line 2 Daniel Echo Akotona Fesono 4th referee Daniel upon Amwa match commissioner Alexander Azamati Onoswabwa na Sebibia and so na koso Santo na Neno Kopiemo El St. Martin's Park El Daboa Sedia Sky FC also and Kerala United and El Point referee and the solo Wadamfo Salom Ya Bless and also be game no line 1 no Richard Nati and Fesono Barnabas Amenyo and also be James line 2 some match 4th referee James Taylor also be Buana Sebibi and so at me Akoso our side game no Kotoku Royal Central Cape Coast Sports Stadium Ziggy utim Kotoku Royal Selekim Nenkoya FA Cup there na say koye motonsa and a friend Enzema Koroko na say mo so the appointed referee Maxwell Hansen I know be the game no line 1 and David Adiko line 2 Sumaila Eastern Offense 4th referee no Foster Basturos on also boy na say Bibia etimi akoso Hatter Folk Phobia I say building a strong foundation with our famous colors red, yellow and blue at Tenafie our Grass Sports Stadium and that channel etimi atonsa and a friend Dreams FC I still believe na some of the appointed Kwesiada 3 p.m. na some match and also to drop and so now our Grass Sports Stadium and referee day and so the Rastum Gamali Stonagbe I know the big game no line 1 Paul Atimaka line 2 Theophilus Akugri na first so the 4th referee no Prince Okoto aya Intiamwa and also Buana Este Bibia Timi Akoso Volta Rangers and Akoso Crystal Palace and to our host Sports Stadium referee Joseph Kofi every some match and first so the big game Heart of Lions and so the aya Bobo Kwadini MSK aya Zinali and so bet to me about Olympics and Lagos cities and then 3 p.m. our Grass Sports Stadium Tayana also watching so Liberty Professionals and so the AS Ransa Ebabo our Karina Parker we NMTN FA Cup matches and then a channel and also bet to draw round of 32 yes so no yadi abai T4
Second division third division
all right into the Yambra na feel same to us so fi ba me ka sa ha Command 97.1 or Command Radio 97.1 or Command Global Sports Saturday edition and Atanasia Yansolo yadi bro Johnny live on Facebook or Command Radio 97.1 or Command Radio 97.1 on Facebook Ubenya Claire that is say kwa visual so no that's where the dem come and also same no Yansolo yadi ba YouTube so no Command Radio 97.1 or text messages so or the bar 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 I know text messages fafa ni kenkai emfa emao ebe kasima be num ana edu ni asore so a course analyze a yede be fa o course no 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 and then like that and also the year juma ba be din komo e be wura mu amana ne match se ba ɛno matches dodo bi a solo pɛsɛ ɔhyɛ no ɔbɛwura mu Italy ahwɛ games sɛ waba ɛyɛ Spain na afei so wɔwura mu ɛwɔ England na ɔno nso ahwɛ matches a ɛno nso no ɛba so ɛwɔ hɔ solo maame ma wo ɛyɛ sima no 20 yɛ na ɔbɛwura mu ɛnso na wama ne nsɛm no na agye sɛ ɛno nso no yɛafa ɛde afiri hɔ.
Okay, ekemi da ase minchia ona minchia etiefuo anɔpɛ ɛna ɔmo nso ɔmo hwɛ yɛ ɛnso ɛwɔ Facebook no nchia kɛse ɛnso ɛnconfirm ɔmo nguso ɛn like page no na ɔmo hwɛ na ɔmo drop ɔmo comment no a mɛhyɛ ase de free Australian Open a ɛkɔ so no yɛnya Novak Djokovic a still ɔkɔ n'anim ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ no nanka will be expected say this time around no near my back on kind and give you say Andy Murray and so a queen but also the game all bono near man said them fire and so femano where she has Spanish Abrante and the Bastuta Ogut Emma Oshe 3 setter on my corner Nina no if ever Bastuta I want to know queen 1-6 7-6 3-6 internet say 2-1 so far a favor Bastuta new man share down FMA and Murray and so on and earlier on no share by 3 days ago na obi say another player eban say tennis in the modern bono and so was ropa nanka wo to me JJ Grand Slam dodo no anko bia any edan so say this time around near ma be kon kan and so to me the amano am faye and so am fama no ama ene nioma en share down to ye and so to me am fama no me kire Rafael Nadal anko ye am fama no e mo no ofri mu due to injury into the game our boy no and share down ko ye and so am fama no a run of 64 no and so ye mo and now 6 to 8 weeks there obetena fie and so I said no to me at all na your hip injury and then I'm so ama Abrante on way free America Mackenzie McDonald and so to me no and so defeating no Rafael Nadal Efremo and Andy Murray so no send your Messi no ono so no ase en sheda en favor no na se be kwa kogina Novak Djokovic and so and ye na ye nim Djokovic eba no Australian Open ya hono mo na the modern one no e kon kan pa so far Grand Slams are wagini na no baby a wagin no dodo no e Australian Open wagin 9 times and last time I watch ye kura no e 2021 internet show say the performance e Australian Open no and also e ade e was ro anɔpɛ game a wɔbɔ no still nneɛma ɛkɔ yie ɛnso etumi ɛde ɛma so far ɔhwɛ set a wɔn ɛbɔ no a ɔno ɛna yɛtumi lead biribi a ɔkɔ n'anim nti yɛhwɛ anim sɛ mmɔdenbɔ no bɛkɔ nkan after sɛ Rafael Nadal agye nsɛm ɛde ama no na still Andy Murray nso nneɛma nhyɛ dan fire ɛnso ɛmfɛ ma no yi deɛ ɔne Novak Djokovic ɛna mehwɛ anim sɛ ɔbɛkɔ n'anim na watumi a perform yie na this time around Australian Open no ono so ebetumi age enso ewo no mo yemra football na yehwe senia etias na meba matches ni mo no mekɔ transfer window no mo kakra na maba matches no enso emo Chelsea egusu signings no ehwe senia mabekɔ yie enso etumi edi amatem no yes almost sheshe and we players Chelsea edge omo na say esane omo na omo ye young players afei na football no ne bona yo omo de afei no mo ba into their peak e football no enso ye mo into ubenya Abrante de noni wo free PSV and Noven na eba or ye player bia ne modern no e wings no e ya there e ko ye and or ye player always no person kita ball no eche da bia no o hwe anim so no be kita ball no more na what to me dey agro or a skillful player e ba no dribbling sa or yade or dribble kama and e ba no say that right wing no ne e be kan say number 7 no or the net no ma ne modern no e kon kan pa endra okasaye also o hwe anim say abrante ne dey Andy James Reece James ono no enso ebetumi asi akan abom because oye player bi a nani di nachi e Chelsea team name and the combat do so woni ni besi akan yenim say this time around Chelsea eba no right back honoma Reece James enekita e honom ne modemo no ade e konkan okọ injury a Chelsea ebre e that position ho because ohwe Cesar Azpilicueta say na yenim Azpilicueta from Jose Mourinho time e de eba no this time around when yin enti modemo no ade abafam enti hu Azpilicueta sa enti always no coaches no e prefer say Reece James ebebo and Reece James any abrante and day and so the noni omunano enam one lane and as a position back on and omoda enti Reece James eba onya no pia edema nonia ono so ehwe dem say obetumi adaye bibi and always so katina ehu pen performance our PSV and Noven so the sabe urem our EP on them ababe performance edema Chelsea enya equally good player ono so betumi aboa team no amanioma konkan ede ama Chelsea emre bi atwam na that side wono yenya Ramirez ano ye adwuma de ma Chelsea ye benya Oscar a wono so tumi operate ede ye free ho ede ye ba say adwuma na sa players wonu mu na aba ye ede ama Chelsea no this time around nioma nko ye fema Chelsea omo Hakim Ziyech Chelsea ekita Christian Pulisic na betumi operate ede free ho ede aba but this time no nioma mfa ena injury so egusu setting ewo team nem entinoni Madueke eba no so no so ebenya ne form ye ewo Chelsea I think say ebetumi aboa team ani dey ede Chelsea Graham Potter say Modric ebenya minute abo ene ewo mo ne Liverpool game name and abrante no ye typical number 10 player always biano or share him so obenya that free roll no enso ewo game ahura obebonim otumi kitabo no so che ono so ne motwe otumi shoot from afar etumi the man the team and afi goals no so she no oyade otumi ehye oya skillful player okitabo a ans na obeje free ni sam no aje bia wetwa no and na obetumi aje pe ono so ne form a wono so de eba no e free Ukraine de eba no say ye benya ne saa ewo Chelsea a me hu ni say enu so betumi aboa Chelsea bobo ko na ye na expect say ene Penny Graham Potter enso aka no abrante ne betumi anya debut game enso ewo Chelsea team no enso aka che wo Anfield ni ahwe say performance no enso betumi akosen Chelsea supporters ebe expect more and obi abetena TV ho ahwe say Modric eba no say enanioma enso betumi akọ enso to dem no na Chelsea epesom de Hakim Ziyech ekoko exchange abranta ni de Frank Kessie Ivorian International yenim Frank Kessie from AC Milan before obeba Barca kra no nioma share down fire FM no onye starter ewo Barcelona team no multi bench at times of free bench ena eba matches our started dem Barca and share down doors so but ye can experience in terms of midfielder abrante ni de Frank Kessie and so ekitabi so na Chelsea share him say anka within that experience no and so eba obi beka say you go to Kante Jorginho Mateo Kovacic omugusu o Chelsea ni team nim and so e won 15 no but some players we ni na no injury no this time around a 13 untumi nka ncha me say Igoro Kante ebetumi abobe 10 matches e dey atoa so a onya injury this time around and so on akache Mateo Kovacic on on and off or your fitter or your solid Edma Chelsea team no abrante and the Jorginho age no so edge no entinanka Chelsea share say anka experience Frank Kessie embra no so embebe kan but abrante no so here na join so be free Barca team no and so to me aba be PM and so e Chelsea and so Chelsea nyana anka betumi aboa but still na ohun ni say Barca adwuma na ntia obae no onye nwie and also fight for the position where in 5th one and then Gavi ni Pedri aji in 5th one and so to me the aboso ewo Barca enti e ma ono ankasa and so nya bi embo and abrante and the so the Busquets and so ho Busquets amba Frankie de Jong and so ebo enti ono ankasa ni position ewo Barca the Ankanyoma nko yie enso enfema ba still also betena FC Barcelona na watumi abo enso atumi de amati man dey e de Barcelona no so Chelsea anko yie enso atumi amfa amomo e wo honomo Oko Atletico Madrid officially Abrante the Memphis Depay article a confirm no omo unveil no adanedi e de akire ama endra no ne na Atletico Madrid team no omo training grounds o shase kura ye training na official communique no emaye but Barcelona etumi ema no that free road no say onko ye training enfema Atletico Madrid and then draw official communique no and said to me aba ohwe Abrante de Memphis Depay and draw make no asem wa say oya Abrante or you're more into offense, always, attacking football, no, nani jongo, or per se, or no attacking more. Now, on to me and show goes, no, on Kitabono, and yena Memphis Depay, and Sana, or Baby Romo, Manchester United, or by no expectation, no, na, it was so, but I'm faster, and sent to me and Fama, no, and no copy or Olympic Leone, and then or Babasa. Atletico Madrid, coach Diego Simeone said, or scouting Memphis Depay. The times are Olympic Leon and no pneumonia Depay betumi aye e de ama ne team no enunti e na wakwa fan de free Barca e de na ba Memphis Depay and draw ono so e kan ye so wo ba Atletico Madrid no onimo style of play onimo say omo ye more into defense onimo coach no say we ye more into defense or a defensive minded coach but coach ne kasa ye so wo pese oba no be boa no team nim and Obama the free roll no and so play our Atletico Madrid team name Obama no positioner ebetumi afexe no and I say ebe suit in the play no and so our Atletico Madrid team name and unti no aba oni Griezmann e di nkomo Griezmann e mani hu sa Atletico Madrid team no oba team players nankasa no unity ewom Omankasa domo ho and players nankasa nin kabom nom didi agro and so omo game nom e teamwork and omo e de ebo matches no team no emujo emuye de omo philosophy no bibia no e ade a ekoyie and we shouldn't forget say Antoine Griezmann ebo Atletico Madrid aso na oba Barca and wasan about Atletico Madrid and to a player bia Atletico in and out on him and in Memphis depending in team command ebetumi a convincing the year amanaba Atletico Madrid and now waba be your official player at the Atletico Madrid waba akase coach Diego Simeone ebe mountain strategy a ebetumi a suit in the play no and so Atletico Madrid because the player you no or a player or one or pace or a skillful and afei eba the dribblings now or be dribble kama goes no betumi a share oman opportunity no ewo box cinema enya do be waste no onya be 5 chances anye bia ne mu 3 obehye enso tumi de ama and say coach no ebo tactics formation ebetumi asiuti ni player I think say ebetumi abo Atletico Madrid and good signings and Atletico team no enso etumi aye ewo ehonom Manchester United any Abrante ni de Hurricane ne dona asanya pejabiem now coach Erik ten Hag ese ohia center forward e wo team name and our player oye typical number 9 eba no goal ni sha ne modemo no e konkan omudi omanika ka emu ano akwakwesi Hurricane so say summer transfer window no after the season transfer window no ibua omekwa kofa Hurricane e dey free Tottenham Hotspur dinaba no aba be si akan e wo Old Trafford dem Man United boboko no United ex-players nakasa bebre oya Gary Neville oya Rio Ferdinand always no omo kasa e de kire Grazer family ni say omo nyi sika na omo fa nko Tottenham enko fa Hurricane en fa nembra en oba obetumi aba beboa Manchester United team no Real Madrid enso person omo ba fa Hurricane but Hurricane nankasa no as an English player no watena say ehun say yes ne performance award na di ewo EPL ni mo no records bi wo honoma a time will come sa performance no gusua put in that record no ebetumi a favor no enso ewo England honom so or prefer so or better England ho na wakoso abo EPL no dance obeko Spain akobo La Liga ewa Real Madrid no akosi akandama Real Madrid team no and always no English players nso o makọ Real Madrid no Newman said down ko ye David Beckham koye yes obo ni obebo owosa wobo e de ma Real Madrid de but ni ana yenim se Beckham be ye pa no anko pasa Michael Owen ekoye Owen kra de ne performance no anko ye kra amfa ma Real Madrid enso ewo no after say ofi UPA ni mo ekoye so Harry Kane ehu ni say ya ohun ni so no so ko Madrid da ne daache no enso et say and recently kra no ye na ye hwe Eden Hazard ofi Chelsea eko Real Madrid no opran samsam ama ne performance no ense dan ko ye enso enfermanity we no mu na ye nioma bi a Harry Kane enso e de egu akwam a ono so ahye and now wokọ ni table so a we choose Manchester United ahead of Real Madrid ono expect say obefri team and the Tottenham Hotspur no so we free Tottenham obekọ Manchester United no akwakosi akan the United team no English players no English players no ex-players, current players, coaches no obia pese Harry Kane enter England wa na won see akan and so we come Manchester United ebeboa because United ni center forward bia Marcus Rashford enye center forward ono a player bia always or support attack no and answer or moving from wings and I eba sometimes coaches no and they use no as number 9 emanebo enti ono no there so oba or role our Manchester United team ma always so ya fit nko adia obenya that starting lineup no ewo Man United team them yes dodo na ka say Chelsea okwa ebetumi aboa no Chelsea nso hia striker Aubameyang buy no nneoma nko yie enfema no likely so Aubameyang enso ebe continent ko bi ehwe say Chelsea kura no Harry Kane ekwa ade ebe boa no but obia only England player bia na say English press no obia kasa obia beka choso obeka kire Harry Kane so on Manchester United na won konkosi akenti United eguso edi nkomo hwe say abrante no omo san beka ne sama no so aba no aba be si akan enso etumi de bobo kwa de Manchester United Barcelona enso eko Inter Milan eko hwe say Marcelo Brozovic ono so omu benya ne na won so aba be si akan e de amatimani de Barca na waba be shen finfin obi enso tumi de ma Barcelona team no ukọ Barca abranta de Busquets now ni age no ya de e wo soro ekosoro likely say season end dia Busquets betumi aka say onkoso muti akan biem anasa wabo akonanimu ano ebeye a season pe e no be body ma Barcelona team no nti na Barca epa another midfielder ono so the performance not to say Sergio Busquets and Marcelo Brozovic or a player so we just defenders anymore or to me a guided defense no Emma pressure every defense no eso Sergio Busquets echa no to me a stopping balls our defenders anymore Marcelo Brozovic the same thing or to me Tinanka Barcelona has someone Sabeka but still Inter Milan and soon Jaya Brandt anymore because of say Omu say Marcelo Brozovic a key player at the Inter team no and both season every so mu Jan winter transfer window yimwa ebetumi aha Inter Milan team no enti omu say enya dia omu bema Barcelona edi sika bia ba dada oma omaja Brozovic mo amanako na so omaja no mpa e bia be end of the season but winter transfer window mu dia enya dia Barca and so Sabeka Marcelo Brozovic and anka Barcelona nyano eka team no ho ebeboa but Inter Milan so ejai no Scudetto no omugusu gusu pre ehwese ne oma beko ye dia mamti so omuja so makokọ be dia no ma no kwa anu so betumi affect omo and so ho because Oberto Marcelo Brozovic winter transfer window yimo why unya player ne modern mo beko ye ete so no atan de ababe sha nan enso wo team nim tie ya eno betumi akon atia ni na aka ho ena ma Inter Milan enso entumi enjoy abrante nim ema ono so enkoye me ketua bi ne atwa to wo transfer window nim Paris Saint-Germain ene Milan Skriniar enso issue no ayeden ewo Inter kache Milan Skriniar okọ Inter Milan sesia also extend the contract in IBM because sika open no Inter Milan in your margin say on be man that amount no na ono so to me atena and be say 8 billion euros there and only sika wo pese oje and so Inter Milan akache but omo nya o margin say that sika no omo de be man ama say Milan Skriniar etwetwe ne so be extending the contract e de my Inter Milan Paris Saint-Germain and so so omo boko akofa na abam omo nya ya Abrante ni de Sergio Ramos on be extend the contract in the man but Sergio Ramos performance or the mom this season more the man was so by Paris Saint-Germain paying for Atenase who ni say Sergio Ramos bia na ho den no and to me ansan ankoboa wom and so the following season and then em mo pe Milan Skriniar and so to me the about so winter transfer window yo manya na work akofa no summer and so no so ba beka akire ho e de ma Paris Saint-Germain e be boa Marquinhos e wo ho no mo Sergio Ramos wo bia no akwakonya contract extension na Milan Skriniar asen aba beka ho Presnel Kimpembe and so eguso e wo ho no mo enti betumi abo Paris Saint-Germain and PSG eguso ehihye team no ye na yenim say enye fresh leg one enti na Paris Saint-Germain ehihye team no enti na wo Messi wa keeping Mbappe wa sign ekita Neymar now also epe Milan Skriniar ababeka ho Sergio Ramos no ewo so ewo ho no but a Champions League ni GNT eno mo ehye say set place we no na no ebe coming together no ma ba be shem and so Paris Saint-Germain so munya na ebetumi aboa eye Paris Saint-Germain team no yemra matches no so Liverpool eba be shia team and the Chelsea and you call league table no so Liverpool at the 9th position 28 points Chelsea at the 10th position 28 points and omunekito and omude that's all and all your performance at two teams no then a dia of late new man said that enko ye and sent to me emfa ema omoye but ni nyina mu no obi ehwe nim se new man betumi akonye e dia ma no two teams no performance there e wo Anfield Liverpool e wo upper hand e wo Chelsea so and this time around Liverpool share nim say niema be konkan and so to me dey am likely say team and the Liverpool ebe kom Alisson Becker Alexander-Arnold Joel Matip Konate now I started Robertson ewe chiro na fe Henderson Fabinho ene Alcantara ewe midfield obebo Salah Darwin Núñez and Cody Gakpo and a likely lineup predicted lineup Liverpool ebe to me use so and I wish Chelsea Kepa Arrizabalaga Aspilicueta Thiago Silva Abrante Anide the Bernard Bediashin one a new player Chelsea akwa sign or omo here say and also likely obe starting and I feel Lewis Hall and so obe started back four no Jorginho Niko Vacic ebe jina defenders name Hakim Ziyech Mason Mount and I feel Abrante Anide Mikhailo Modric almost ebe jina Kai Havertz and so into when so Chelsea likely lineup so edibe wura game no and so yemu no so ababesi akan and so the team and the Chelsea into 4-2-3-1 and a Chelsea be born na Liverpool about 4-3-3 compare this lineup way to two teams no Chelsea there and Liverpool there no Cody Gakpo yes ye win the performance World Cup ye boy no and so yemu and one of the best player at the Dutch national team no our World Cup and I say the performance they are there kind about Liverpool no few games and when your opportunity abo this time around or he said you ma be ko yie and so to me the man no midfield ne there Liverpool kita players are omadebo no wasoro yehu Jordan Henderson after say Frank Abrante and Steven Gerrard every Liverpool no or sha say we lead the Liverpool team no wa won 51 and the inclusion our Liverpool Medford you know Aboa and the coach Jurgen Klopp ye na ye how I transform Jordan Henderson amana to me ababeye o Jan FIFA kwan of fast channel passes or journey attacker or kwan of fast journey attack it me ma two passes be even eto ne dey to me show goal and so to me at eboa ono esha ase a ebetumi aboa ye nim Fabinho so oye player oye red and always no Jiran defenders anymore ono be making sure say obesili defenders in name Emma Bobia and so to me Emba or a type of a Casimiro no ma Yembundia and so you go to Kante no olden days Sa and a Fabino and so at Yena Yenim and also a war defenders anymore Yenim a Juma obet me I am Tiago Cantara with an experience a Kitano and the skillful or yeah our Medford and no kind of fast so at channel passes no one also a will feel for and then we had the boy Liverpool. Bet me a conkai at the Liverpool team no and some players when we know your players be a or Montimonu win him and then I'm a Graham Potter about double pivot Kovacic Jorginho our defenders in him send your beya obey to me a break and that's about stop it passes up a be free about de Alcantara and I Jordan Henderson ho Aba be PM ewenimo Ediama Mohamed Salah Darwin Nunes Cody Gakpo and so on entina Alba Kovacic Jorginho no to me aya that stop no and so wenim ho no meti make say coach and din and so the Graham Potter in the lineup na here bad wo hwe nim ho no mo a ka have a lead attack no Hakim Ziyech Messi Mount and afa Modric and so at that left wing one or a player be a medical can one some ha say or a skillful player up a ball nikita more and a bano dribblers now or footwork or to me dribble or cutting in so who or to me shooty or cutting now or to me shooty from afar Messi Mount and the coach Frank Lampard Messi Mount a Juma wa yeah at the boy Frank Lampard or Chelsea and coach and then Thomas Tuchel by and so the same thing but injury any on and off be and I'm a young shadow who Messi Mount this time around but so when a former and also a equally good player like Abraham the Modric and also to me shooty about the set pieces of free kick or yeah de Hakim Ziyech my fine form our World Cup and so yemo and so Kobane said that form or the babe wuram our ne game ni mo and also operate from a right wing at the air banner and also ya dey betumi aboa team and den and so to me dey Chelsea niaka and say nim ho no chance ne ba omu create a betumi ahye but already Liverpool defense now Robinson and Arnold and so our ho always omo adwane attack eboa ema full back no omo adwuma omo ye no anase attack na adwuma no omo ye no eye mre omo crosses pull out omo de beba no eye mpempi no tumi boa attackers no omo tumi ehye omo ye assist no more but eye likely so omo beba omo nim bebre pe near lineup Chelsea team no edie come because Andre Robertson eba Hakim Ziyech befa ho enso tumi akọ sanso na Alexander eba Abraham the Modric enso befa ho enso tumi akọ entini na no ebetumi affect team and din e Liverpool team overlap no yes omo beye de but me only say omo ntumi yen no more Konate ni job map step there Konate abo from RB Leipzig wakọ World Cup wa gain experience ne kakra wa ba EPO no do one to no so experience no ho Joe Matip so abo but omo pair no na yen shede hu ni here because ye hu Joe Matip and Virgil van Dijk and ye hu Konate and so Virgil van Dijk always no Van Dijk any either Joe Matip and I say Abraham did Ibrahima Konate and ebo but any Van Dijk no into omo bo Matip no Konate and almost center pair no and as omo two pair no and I said that ehun ni ye ahoden no enimu bebre to say near Van Dijk ewo ho a ebetumi akodi afenti and also ya de ba ko a ebetumi affect Liverpool said Chelsea team no ebetumi agina so yie e de aboa de a ometumi akari de no but e wa amfo de there me predict say Liverpool ebenya win no ahead of Chelsea and Chelsea best ewo that game no ebekọ for a draw and so ewo eho no watching Man United ebebo Arsenal Manchester United is one of a club omutumi Arsenal ye pa emra coach Alex Ferguson ewo as a winger and so Arsenal ni na mo muhia na United H5 Arsenal so omuchi Arsenal show mu 8-2 omuchi omo e show mu 6-1 ni na no under coach and dey and so dey Arsene Wenger and afei Man United and so kita Ferguson and anom dey yes adwuma no and this season oya performance Arsenal team no performing team what to me stop omo Manchester United Arsenal ekita fine form but Oshia teams ni nyinaa or perform yie but Oshia United our first leg ni mo no United shine 3-1 and that game no na first game edema Brazilian international Anthony after so free Ayas eba here and onya the first goal at Mama United our that game name nti Arsenal team no so ehu ni say omo ba be jai omo ho biem ama Man United Arsenal ba be stop your mana because records are omo ye nyina no omo ntumi ye ewo United so this time around United are break you omo nti omo sam betena omo ankasa backyard for second time ama Man United atwa from so ebe den coach and the Eric Ten Hag adwuma wo ye no ano ye den enso tumi e de ma Manchester United sanso ena oko Arteta nso aso ya ono so ne awo ye de ma Arsenal no emu so ye den e de ma Arsenal the performance no was so yenya players bi a perform ye ene game no e battle between midfielders no oko Arsenal so ya Granit Xhaka Abraham de Thomas Partey and afa Martin Odegaard omo ekita Arsenal midfield na omo performing Odegaard ebo send the goals no aka ho e de Arsenal and I wish Thomas Partey so ebo and always no also surge forward that eyam pempi no ehu e de ma opponent ushi Arsenal because otumi shoot e de fear kire de ba and always bia no o man space obetumi amade ayo ne passes bi so wo ho a etumi eboa Granit Xhaka nso ye dirty works no wo midfield ho ono so agent defenders nanim and ono so etumi stop boss no enso etumi de ma team and dey e de Arsenal ti ebe battle between midfielders no Manchester United adia ebe ku eti omo kakra Casemiro game yi want me embobi our United afem and minim say obebo Fred and now say McTominay Fred ne McTominay two players in na Gideon Shedden ni mupi United supporters and Shedden trusted players we ni mupi but to me so two players no so catch them say yi baako no ma mebo game no dia me prefer say McTominay and mebo ahead of Abraham and the Fred Beba even second half no abem and United success ni na no agent Christian Eriksen and so Eriksen performing ye at the Manchester United or my assist or my goals no though goals no share on share that e man no share baako but o kwan o jina fifo adwuma de ma Manchester United midfield na etumi aboa United and ma Abraham and Bruno Fernandes enya free so won fifo no etumi operate efa babia e wo pitch no so Edma United enti game na be den and Manchester United omo engine e wo game we mu be defense no yes almost concede and the last time United concede against Crystal Palace nani ya and that game never so 1-1 and omo ebo here now United akwa 9 games straight omo winning e dey ato aso and Crystal Palace stop e one and draw and so on to make us 10 matches unbeaten there Man United ebo and so defense no and I share him say and then United nyama betumi akon kan and so to me the moment game no e bad thing and so on but to me a quiet draw our Emirates Sports Stadium
okay I know a part solo paradise we're delving into the issue story star so our manane the English Premier League the title one net 12:30 p.m. and we are cheering for so barely 1 hour to go now just say Chelsea Echo PMO our Anfield now I'm also any Liverpool and so atumi abo Chelsea and Liverpool. Pauram and the Bunkoma Samson and China Arsenal, the Gunners, league leaders, and Manchester United. Ana omubebo. Yamra fie emedi efie nkomo na ansa na no. Mami wura mu say na o messages ba ku mienu apa no. Menkan emfiro na afinso yemedi nkomo ne titiriu eno enso ene coacher ene yepe edema the Black Stars of Ghana. Na yato aso ewo ho. Ofe Maxwell added message about say I'm watching you live from Adenta. My greetings to Otoya Kwamoso Presby Primary. And I was Samson at Kwesi Premier. And also say watching you live from University of Education, North Campus inside Zor publication Winneba from Kwesi Premier. And also Nadia Adiaba, a former about see great analysis there, fantastic. And also Nadia found the answer Fabra on Facebook or Command Radio 97.1 or Command Radio 97.1. Now Yankin Kai and Soro Emfa Mao Ewo Jumedi Suna Liverpool lineup Abalo Alison Becker, James Milner, Joe Gomez, Ibrahim Konate, Andrew Robertson. Mimi Isa Mami Wura Muhammad. Mimi Isa Mami Wura Muhammad. Mention lineup okay official one on number was official one about 11:30 I can't remember you about we were to no probable lineup and as a lineup after you know so Eddie era game no more
Jason Groba say James Mena ebebo so ebebo game no into so one start kora obi free bench aba
yeah and also I don't know you made come ofie commanded one the ofie Yepe coach and the Black Stars coach is no do one and so I do one krata and so no any abidrum Chris Hilton and the Nadia call Hector Cooper former Egyptian coach or the Nadia call James Kwesi Appiah Maile and so the krata call to any other number of coaches are modi aba when ana utie mi obeso ye the next head coach anybody senior national team solo gurama that feels among Ghana ye hwehwe coach why na yem fa no criteria being na yentwe and say they appointed coach say ye din and I say the CV so na efe and I job experience solo gurama fa me
that say Black Stars coaching won some there ejina efe ne so edien ene plan ben ye de ko fa coach no ene a question I was see ebisa ho a long term and I say ye pe coach no in short term oba be ye adwuma na o mbehye ni sese ya na won fa ye bibi and I say on hihye team no for that bi say be kwa kwaje trophy ana eno ne question na ye bisa ena ebesi ne okwa efe ho no mo ni plan bia no plan because say our plan yebeko World Cup you choose Otuado as Black Stars coach Otuado ma Ghana for nyina including the FA etiase say ye free World Cup ne ba onkoso enkochi biem obefree Black Stars so omobia ya aware before a team no kure be free Ghana akọ World Cup no and ankasa ye wo plan bi wo ho no mu a efe ne be plan say auto akasem we a kire yen when ye plan enti ene coach ABC ene di eni ato say ye free World Cup ne ba na Otuado ekwa ye di adwuma ne be ma coach we na wa ye adwuma ndi amaye Portugal for instance immediately a Portugal every World Cup nim na Fernando Santos edi na adwuma no edi to ho as head coach edi ma Portugal national team no omo anka say coach say apply because of say omo plan no mo nia omo ayenti empofiri mo ho no omo kokofa former Belgium head coach Roberto Martinez so omo lead the Portugal national team no omra no man so adwuma nim enti oman Ghana sane ya wo plan a Otuado wie ye no enya fe na ye bie application the bie Ghana ejusu coach e dey man Black Stars a ye bie application e ma coaches apply na ye ni o ma tenase ya show mu CVs mu na ya ko interviews interview coaches no ansa ye see yi ba ko and the bie so ye san so a enya dey ebo ayen and in modern days football no ye application say coach be apply biem
so me charo but my fa lineup no Liverpool ni Chelsea lineup no I have a triple and Van Tuja goalkeeper Liverpool afem no Alisson Becker Samsung defenders no James Milner, Ibrahim Konate, Joe Gomez, and I feel so no Robertson. We the defenders no.
Okay.
Midfielders no Naby Keita. Samsung akora we so akora nidin answer Stefan Bajcetic ono 18 years na akora na the Spanish born. Ana ojirem ana feel so no Thiago Alcantara. Anymore animal Liverpool Brighton nidin answer Cody Gakpo. Heavy Elliott and I feel so Mohamed Salah. Salah your body say the top man. Number 9 no.
Okay. So Elliott no na omo FA Cup say current cup.
O say go no.
Onya go the mom. Yes.
Chelsea. Kepa Arrizabalaga. Defenders no Mark Cucurella. Brighton din and so no Beniot Badiashile. Ono so no Ejrem Thiago Silva and I feel so no Chalobah. There's Hey, Jorginho, Abraham needed Gallagher, Mason Mount, Hall, and I feel so Hakim Ziyech.
Gallagher.
Up front, no top man, no, Abraham needed Kai Havertz. Yes, I don't know bench on them say Chelsea for Rubiero. Rubiero bench. Aubameyang, Cesar Spilicueta, Abraham needed Ade Bettinelli, Samson Chukwuemeka, Abraham needed and so no Ivorian International, David Datro Fofana. Samson Humphreys, Koulibaly, Loftus-Cheek, and Ukrainian international. Abranta Modric, and so that Modric. And also, bench. Liverpool, no, Alexander-Arnold, Fabinho, Jordan Henderson, Curtis Jones, Abranta needed Joao Matip, Darwin Núñez, Oxlade-Chamberlain, and Abranta needed Chimicas. That's it.
Liverpool didn't move the class in Liverpool. Yes.
Chelsea.
And if you starting lineup no Liverpool still lead Chelsea. Callagher, what Medford? Callagher. Graham Potter. Are you serious? Are you serious? Okay. Not making Black Stars issue no. And Ghana Football Association for natural is only plan. Only plan. Your plan and say you be application. Say you be. Main fan is a coach is 4 because kwesi apia the net call. Into coach is 4 and say yeah apply Steve McLaren and Abraham coach and the other Heta Cooper. You know you Heta Cooper oba Egypt. The audio mobile be the man shut down ko ye. Chris Wharton and James Mayela kwesi apia. Kwesi apia about first time second time. Mitie kwesi apia na yi ni mu a as a politicians be the actually and almost push say kwesi mbra pe enkoma a ekoso no politicians bi ewo mu a omo share chire say Mayele emra mbaji adwuma ne ye
sa na osusu no
me sa na me hu no
okay
and e ade so ekoso say Mayele emra mbaji adwuma ne ye no no a ba bi adu yi de eyo no no betumi kwesi so aka say o she Blasters players e dey call World Cup na yekita squad e go betumi aye adwuma no e dey amaye but me pa dey make che kwesi apia as one tranchen on tranchen
who to remember James kwesi
oh yes on tranchen for now on tranchen obetu still the die you no mu ya the die you no mu ya so na man issue our Blaster team no the second coming Obakaya, they da Samuel Jan, general captain, now the substantive captain on my way, na issue bebre. Enti question tranche more before from bra. And the German so far the media, near only then the Omumpia Chris Wooten. The Biadu, Omumpia for Chris Wooten, one team natana. Because all coaches say, oh, na made the America Sanka Chris Wooten technical team na ye de omo call World Cup no woni mu team no obetumi aye bibia nka oboaye emeko ye but satam no ye just advisor into obetumi their advice na ba head coach na fa no untumi hye no so won fa into ono any team na tanache current squad e Black Stars no onim send obi abone ball fa and even players ni bi kura wo ho a Chris Wooten na nkasa kura ewura mu bi ni players ni bi di nkomo ana ono ampo scout players ni bi edema coaches na say player we oye ntimo fa no ento wonim tim no ye fema no Heta Cooper ni Steve McLaren and there omomon pe be binda enya de ombeboa but efe na nkasa ne de omu ni plan okay ni omu ye enya de be boa ya market okreku opportunity ama na choose coaches Adama Black Stars 3 coaches CK Akono Milovan Rajevac Otuado
in about 1 year.
Yes.
Say 2 years. You appointed 3 coaches.
3 coaches and Aketo Kreku. Milo Otuado and CK. Omumu bi adwuma mo baye no Amba Black Stars. CK Akono qualifies ni mu anya yi ni si nchense na mademo nko yie. And I'm also now ye hye bia na nioma e qualify. Performance they do baby never. But they do baby so nothing no drop it. Ye ni sinche ya ko family by or be qualify or the air ko AFCON poto Otuado by ebe ball World Cup no playoff to me qualify ko World Cup ye ko World Cup no poto performance na so any enti opportunity e dey ma FA no mo appoint coaches in the Black Stars no nioma nko yie enti na ka this time around me expect say yenti committee Ghana Football Association technical director Bernard Limpet our committee nim Ministry of Youth and Sports omunya rep our committee nim nanka omompe coach FMA Black Stars where technical team adwuma and ombetumi aka kire me say coach omo pay no Bernard Limpet technical director no na ideas ka ho ana and news and information say ba nyina no yente Bernard Limpet wo ho bi yente wo ho sports person abakasa on board di wo ba bia say technical director adwuma bi a wa ye de afa coach no ehwehwe mu no enie yente ye so efe no ana ye led by Ketedun Simono Kreku and the ESCO members Black Stars so-called Black Stars management committee no one more na coach no Edema Black Stars and yepe competent coach yepe coach ya omu ma metran so and yepe coach ya omu dictate enfema no yepe coach ya omu ye selection enfema no because ye kita equally good players squad that coach Otuado the man ye dey call World Cup no ye nya 1 or 2 players bi wo ho a omo de mo no ekwankan si egusu afre wom na egusu am opportunity a na ye mo bo together ye benye team no our Black Stars enti eno ni ye hwehwe ba ye fe yusu ni sa plan no omo de ne say coach we na ye hwa ye betumi influence no enti coach we mbra eno so mo aye football no enti okay me de Ghana Football Association omo draw plan FN2 for your national teams no and your Black Stars nko national teams no omo draw plan FN2 says ye choose coach e dem national team we ya e plan we e na coach no ba fa so enti coach ne ba plan ne da ho onam so won tumi amfa anya adwuma ama ne ye hwehwe no yensa nka wa feli yen eno no wo de adwuma ne di man no wa feli but so wo ni plan na ye matramakwe kinten bo no ko benkum amre nifa ye bom tum ni enko bra say ya ebubu fa so na say ya fa obi ho tan ye fa mu wini ba ko a ni abo se ye lusu a na agego a eno no de embo ayen ye draw plan FN2 and to me Chris Wharton ye fa adwuma ne ma no ye adwuma no watra team ni ma che so far who players no who team no into no ye fa adwuma ne ma no ye
I know I pass solo na je nkyere eno no say coach Chris Hilton I know and no yemfa adwuma no emfa ma no na ono so no enye na omwa ma the Black Stars of Ghana and so no adwuma fa no to papa emfra waje nkyere and so any say obetimi afra pa na odo waje nkyere pa 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 and also airlines are yedi juma obefre aba MTN FA Cup matches set to drop and then china nyina koroko ebo sanso na hat to folk and so that ball solo be uremo MTN FA Cup rekakra na yenso no yetumi ato aso e de free one tino games are best of shape MTN FA Cup but numbers no me so be fra by 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and I face 0205 818 748 I know and I know bit my fraba now so what do I in channel and they are to the Black Stars of Ghana ye coach sounds so that the Black Galaxy zone says MTN FA Cup team koroko ebo hat to folk ebo and in channel maybe I saw the fab England and also the big game to Chelsea and Liverpool say we support Barcelona maybe I saw or I didn't channel fafano or the bar or the freba usubeti and I didn't channel area ba so MTN FA Cup
and Sunyano Coronation Park game back when I so and traditional teams mienu in Asia so yiri pebre bo afakwata no ebe she Diana Stars no mo de aboani e Coronation Park Sunyane a big game afakwata no wa Ghana football ni mo ache wa ball league ni bi pen obo division 1 currently the modern monso e division 1 no this season e ya there e wo soro and of Diana Stars as a leading team e wo GPL ni mu no ono so hwe se performance no eso ebetumi akonkan
so lo me first call na ebeto aso hello yeah fire
good morning
fire bibia kama
yemi na mo hote o
twera mpo na roma ye huye
ni chia pasolo
ojo so
okay in Kotoko ibina kono ye ne bela besi 6 p.m. yes Kotoko support se wu kuma si around kuma si na yes so won ko support ti ni mai na yenyangu ni ntini ko yenmu I say so Black Star coaching job no I think so Chris Newton what na hono mache oni mwefu no oni technical team na pass lokano it is a bit near the fact in the market is not na on take in charge in my na kweside your friend on to change that my
okay yes so yeah that's it fire say utumi afre at by 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and our face 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 solo
anti game na mu beden Coronation Park and Diana Stars ebe hwe nim say as a premiership club na o lead league table ne de the more be konkan but oya MTN FA Cup na obi anya obi a division 1 club to make Premier League club no Tanabo Afakwan so the same day kan no wa Ghana football ni mo so achenti in terms of experience both leg and FA Cup ni na no almost ekita ebe tough match pa and then Sunyane Coronation Park but me share him say Diana Stars ebenya that victory no and so Kotoku Royals ebe tena Cape Coast ne Enzema Kotoko abo omu ni mo ho omabo division 1 leg no Enzema Kotoko eno Kotoku Royals na abo enti omunim senior two teams no perform at the FA Kotoku Royals ebo premiership this time around new man shut fire MFM but me share him say e Cape Coast no on betwe afans ma Kotoko so no manya da qualification no and so akomanim e MTN FA Cup nim yebenya Great Olympics obebo Lagos Cities e Accra Sports Stadium 3 p.m. Premiership clubs mienu in Asia Great Olympics form Lagos Cities on and off omomode morning share da epeja kakra na tiaba Olympics so ohe omo last 3 matches bi omabona winning no omakwa akwakunya bi ɛna lose ɔmanya bi ɔmo kɔkɔtɔkɔ kɔtwɛn draw ɛnɛ yɛ ɔtena Accra Sports Stadium no ɔne Legon City na efiri nkranwa enti emu bɛyɛ den but wohwɛ sɛ nea nneɛma si ɛkɔ pɛ two teams no performance pa deɛ mɛka sɛ Great Olympics ɛwɔ sɛ ɔfa Legon City so but Legon City so kita another experienced coach matured coach apart from say Great Olympics ekita ya pre kono okọ Legon City sa coach Maxwell Kunedu ono so adwuma de mom and wa bo FA Cup ni bia win da and wa bo Premiership no so bia win as a coach into ono so experience that area hono but two teams no modern na be kire and me tepo Great Olympics say obetumi anya that victory no and so ewo hono mo na fei anwumre ne ebekọ so baba yara Benab enya Santo Kotoko FA Cup wohia teams nketwa na enko yie ma wo kra se wo ye Kotoko supporter na ya wadwen se wakwakohia Division 2 side Benab FC ento betumi atwa afa no so ha menya Kotoko a wahia Asokwa Deportivo eyi Kotoko afrim ewo FA Cup yenya Kotoko a wakwakohia Nania FC ewo FA Cup final Nania FC share Kotoko 1-0 eji trophy ni different Kotoko nsem ema Kotoko ntumi enwini Kotoko hia smallest clubs no ewo FA Cup mu a omo find it difficult to score them and at this time around Kotoko performance no omo form ekitom no enya form bie hua ma club bie be hia ebebo ni hu se Benab ehu bebo Benab FC a eye Kotoko din no ena bebo mu but Kotoko form ekitom currently there mo Benab fo hu coach nankasa na wojira eye touchline no coach Zebo onankasa performance no and say them pejaye endu baby na expect because o hia Juma Dr. Prosper Natogum last season yeah dema Santo Kotoko do o man to me FA Cup but the omo je leg no and now shape qualities ade kita Kotoko compared last season there no to this season qualities kita Kotoko now compare coach ne performance to this season coach way Zebo no so performance and shall say last season there no far better than this season Kotoko players are no mo do no ano last season no mo boy but Newman Shadan ko ye enfemo mo against Benab omo na wo Kumaso ha and Baba Yara and omo ebo ntimeka say both team no omo favorite grounds and omo ebo no and obia berite Benab say obelusu game win obia beka say Asante Kotoko eko game nim with a victory but surprise ebetumi asi because of say Kotoko shia smallest clubs no ewo FA Cup and Pempi no enkoyie enfema Asante Kotoko this is a surprise here mobia ema enye no wanwa enso ewo ho out you Asia wasunta omuna northern part of Ghana clubs in Asia enti start team no ewa Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium out to you me hwe ni mu say o metumi anya that qualification no Liberty Professionals and AS Rangers Liberty and so last season o munya fine form our Division 1 name ya sha say this season o mu gusun kakra into me hwe say o mo say be come name and so ewo ho and so Atremanu ko hia Wamenafo Matthew Royals and Wamenafo na ebo home and so Atreman form ekito mo ewo league ni mo no ya hwe so mo de be wura game wiem Wamenafo Matthew Royals Division 1 no almost so kire omo modern mo wo ho say nyama betumi afa enso Atreman ni mu team we almost so abo Division 1 no a entuma mu ni mo ho and me share nim say enso atre e de ne form ekita no e wa league ni mo no ebe wuram e wa Wamenafo na wakwa that qualification no and so bibia ni Gold Stars Kingfisher Gold Stars e wa form top 5 or so top 4 our league table no so no Gold Stars wom Kingfisher so asase peke ba wa league table no so and we baby am free relegation him ewura 15 position coach Jimmy Kobla and coach Michael Osei and then the tactics be adwuma no ebetumi akoyi edi amano and perform there make us say Gold Stars soro King Facer but Premiership clubs and MTN FA Cup no a different ball game together until no make us say two teams no coaches no near the modern ebe konkan no ena ebetumi akoyi edi amano and anka ya lega anka make us win for draw was our game we but akwa MTN FA Cup and ye here say baako ebe from na baako akwa na mu de nya obatoto ni niam yie no ono ebenya win no Samatex any Nations FC Samatex straight ebe qualify and so ewo no mte games amehwe ma no Kayara United is Sky FC me hwe say Kayara ebetumi atwa afa Sky FC so but Sky FC so etenafie ewo St Martin's Park no ehu de Kayara United Accra Heart of Folk any Dreams FC apeke omo form no ewo league name omo bon kakra and ye na ye hu omo performance ewo daw so otidaw body a or comfortable but omo kwa away a no man sheda nkoyie Heart of Folk also free Accra Sports Stadium ekoye no omo kochinchin ye omo ba ye no omo first game omo boy we league nim e Accra Sports Stadium no after say you omo free no omo nya draw and this time omo sure say ombenya that qualification coach matches adwuma all bob on it ne assistant coach David Okulu kwa kweshia coach Anidin and so de Karum Zito ebe den two teams no obi amadembo no e was soro e wo league na ye bonim so far obi apeke form but Heart of Folk ebetumi carry day no and so merate Heart of Folk say obako nanim asen Dreams FC and so game them take matches we no man
okay and also Pasolo Paradise na jinchire fa MTN FA Cup matches and ebetu dwano home and ebe sorry so na fin so DJ Zigibi and so na nyompa atumi atwa moso na mameka say Confederation of African Football and I say yes CAF champ tournament no and also ebe koso and 2 matches and to dwa omaya de Libya ebo 7 p.m. on Ethiopia Sanso Mozambique and Algeria and also 7 p.m. and na we be say Black Galaxies and so ebo da ben Galaxies and so ebo eda Edwada but game na nyamba so na nke Edwada na so mo against Morocco but yenya ni say Morocco Entimamba 3 points na by Ghana there. Nemo no your group no Sudan and afin so Madagascar and ebebo Sudan and Madagascar and ebebo eda Edwada intia na no soro washa no so and so etumi and the ama yen ewo ho and chan tournament no and so no and so na cameraman na me refi Juve issue no very critical Juve issue probably say the Juve ya ti omo pa 15 points
Juventus
na me give say penny for so mo hwe na omo do omo na isi from
15 points pa so almost say omo kwa appeal and the entrance and then they be for appeal mbeba so omo kwa nyoma betumi akoye de ama omo kakra ohwe mpanyimfo a ya mama suspension you been so 2 years ban from football then obi wa football na ni adwuma oh yeah nti say ekoba ni say ya ne ma konkan but me ya na me bisa say o sign player na ne salary no unim say obetua o sign player no team no confess nim unim say sika nim ana say sika ewo mu no say in the area say financial fair play no and to me and she rules no ye be so pepepe eno ye niam bia ya mpempi no me to me bisa me won sempanyifo no eya e form ani so ana so bo apayo no ma sheda pa na omo bunyo ma bia guso but ubunyo ma guso a obroni krom de ente se obibi ni krom emra no edu ente de bedu e bia ne Daniel Alves de ya ono so awde no akwa to mu and then so that the prison yaching atom sexual assault Daniel Alves wa bobo sika ben na winia oba ben na opa winya uko night club kakra uko for so bia na kwada ewo washroom ayo say 18 years onyi ya onya hwe the asam no I think say obia 18 years or 23 years 23 years or the court and they say when I want that jam the club crowd
arrested na mobo
the club no club ball Mexico no o ma terminate contract no and run na ya chine na o ma terminate no contract and obroni there or the mra ya adwuma Ghana hanom and mra na akwa yes if even crofobia but obroni there edu nko a o de ya adwuma enti ni na ya de a ya ewo football nim because some crofo no na moma football ne dem Italian Serie A na nke ya bo na top 4 Juve el compete Napoli compete AC Milan Inter bi el compete a anka de efe Roma bi so preba na nka ye bo na ubohu Daniel Alves na won so game no o bo kakra na say Barca bi e bo match bi a wo former clubs ni bi e bo match bi na nka wo stadium no akọhwe obi supporters be badge so but ni na mo so makọ akọhwe baby a ade ya mpempi no etumi e ma game no so supporters na omudi akire no omani so enje
okay entino no ye di jumadi ni nyina besi na finso ya sorry so nyame boa ye channel pa 6:30 on ye partial morning sports no and so better as an update of course so and our various centers and sports ni mu no area ba adwada na finso ya trase na yetumi baba nsem ni mu na no so ne obi ano yenso yetumi area bro na se kese confirm wow oze
time no
chena no
adwada no
aha mo solo waka adwada is adwada no pa anopa weekdays no fear start ya chena weekdays ni nyara fear adwada ko pimfia da no anopa no ndu ado ko pim dumienu
sane ye
na no ana adwada ye chance ntino fear adwada ko nyina no anopa no ndu ado ko pim dumienu 10 to 12 pm ana ne no ye sports no ye da ko se ntino pay for such ya and also no aba enti channel so say ni no global sport no fear adwada akopem memenda adwada akopem memenda ni nyina no 10 am akopem 12 pm tiano so na wa channel so channel pa trans still na be kai say and no global sports no so akofi adwada akopem memenda no 10 am to 12 pm tiano no na say ke say confirm executive producer Yera Kofi Anton ba for Samson and Nana Kofi Okorageman and so yan nana say Pa Solo Paradise na say ke say en confirm solo Samson Akrobia Sante Ajo Pokuya e Onabo Poku the writer commentator DJ Ziggy we heavy papa and I feel so DJ Donzi omunya bo me chidoma yere nsem ni nyina and so by wow share on Facebook and so yeah that's me bring wa am free here we send text messages mo so amutie here ni nyina no yakopon ehwamo na onkamo ho me di Kelvin Amponta Eddie o from Akia beje so we sound the boss player ka ho a yes be bibia ewu Eddie ama me no nyina na me boa channel pa 6:30 am and the kopem 7 am no pass morning sports no as we ba wa share so muchum
Life come and go.